Good morning, children. Now that we have finished tenses, and after tenses we started with active passive, today I am dealing with subject verb agreement, which also would be in two parts. You all know, children, that a sentence cannot be complete without a subject and a verb. Every subject needs a verb, but it should agree with the subject. The verb should agree with the subject. So, a complete sentence must have a subject and a verb to make complete sense. There are 13 to 14 rules. So, today I would be teaching you some rules and then we'll continue in part 2. If a subject is a singular number, then the verb should be singular. And for a plural subject, the verb should be plural. For example, he, she and it. They're singular number. So, they will take S and ES form of the verb. And I, we, you, they are considered as plural subjects. So, their verb should also be plural. Example, Nikhil runs. Nikhil runs a mile every day. So we see that runs. We have taken S form of the verb because Nikhil is he, singular. So this is also singular verb, runs a mile every day. But the next sentence is Amita and Meena run a mile every day. Anita and Meena, they are two people, they are plural. So we have run. Second rule is when two or more subjects are joined by and, will always take a plural verb. Monica and Seema are coming for the party. So Monica and Seema, they are two people and they are joining with and. So it is going to take the plural form of the verb. Are. Are is the plural form of the verb. Next rule. When two or more nouns are taken as one unit, then the verb is in the singular form. The famous director and producer. So here the director and producer, they are one. They are considered as one. Has arrived. So both, even though we added and, but here also we see that they are one. So we have used the singular form of the verb, that is has arrived. And we also know, I've taught you in tenses also, active passive also, has, have, had always takes the third form of the verb. Now fourth rule. When two or more nouns are joined with and, they refer to the same person or thing. Just now we have done unit. Here we do that they have and, joined with and, they refer to the same person or thing or an idea. They take a singular verb. Now bread and jam is my favorite breakfast. Now you don't take jam separately or bread separately. You always take jam with bread or bread with butter. So and is joining both of them, but it is actually a breakfast. So it has taken a singular verb. Next sentence is my friend, philosopher and guide is. Whereas I have taken my friend, philosopher and guide. That means I am now going to take all three of them as one. Is none other than my father. Now next, fifth rule. Nouns like shorts, trousers, pants, pliers, scissors, socks and spectacles are always plural. and take plural verb. But we see sometimes they take singular also. When? Unless they are preceded by a pair of. A pair of. My spectacles are very costly. And second sentence, a pair of scissors is going to cost you 100 rupees. A pair of, then scissors is. Next rule is, a few nouns such as economics, mums, measles, politics and news always take a singular word, because we see there are many words which has an S but it is actually singular. So example is, mathematics is an interesting subject. And the seventh rule for today is, a unit, a measurement, distance, period of time and sums of money take a singular verb. For example, 4 kilometers is a long distance. 4 kilometers. I'm saying kilometers, but still I'm taking it as is a long distance because I'm taking it as one unit. 200 rupees is all that I have. 200 rupees is all that I have. So they are always taken as singular, and so it will take a singular verb. Thank you, children. Now next time I'll give you the part 2 of subject and verb agreement, because there are total 13 to 14 rules. Thank you, children.